In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the beginning balance in QuickBooks. This is an important step to make sure your financial records are accurate, especially if you noticed mistakes when entering data for the first time. The first thing to do is log into your QuickBooks account. Once you're in, head over to the chart of accounts. You can get there either from the settings cog in the upper right corner or from the left side dashboard menu under Transactions. Click New to add an account. Choose the account type that fits what you're tracking, like a bank account, expense, or liability. Give it a name, add a short description if you want, and then you'll see the option to enter the beginning balance and its start date. This date tells QuickBooks when you want to start tracking this account. Once you've entered the amount and date, click Save and Close. Now your beginning balance is set, and you can record new payments and deposits from that date forward. Make sure not to enter transactions before this date, or your records may become inaccurate. If you're unsure, you can always consult an accountant for guidance. If you have multiple accounts to update, QuickBooks makes it easy. Use the Import Data option under the Settings cog to upload a CSV or Excel file with all your account details. This saves time and ensures everything is added correctly without manual entry. Once you've finished, all your accounts and balances will be visible in the chart of accounts, giving you a clean starting point to manage your finances accurately. And that's how you change the beginning balance in QuickBooks. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.